Good morning everyone, Alessandro is back with another video, and yes guys, today we are very early. I'm just having my first cup of coffee with you guys and we're gonna have a look into the charts together right now, into Bitcoin, into Solana, into Ethereum and also into TRON. My three favorite altcoins that we're gonna cover today guys. And of course we also have major announcements on some of the upcoming cryptos, and also we have a nice NFT giveaway right now in this video, so make sure to watch the video until the end guys. I'm gonna give away 5 NFTX. I'm gonna tell you exactly what they are, and therefore of course you have to leave me here in the comment section your non-custodial Solana wallet address, just here in the comment section if possible, or send it over on Telegram, Discord, or wherever you can. Links in the video description, because we're gonna give away 5x NFTs and I'm gonna tell you exactly what that is. So join my other social media channels as well and contact me over there. Just leave me your non-custodial, that means your Solana address from a DeFi wallet like Phantom or MetaMask and so on, and then I'm gonna give away those NFTs. I'm gonna tell you exactly what it is, but first of all guys, remember to be subscribed on this channel. Welcome everyone. And of course here we're not only gonna cover Bitcoin but also major altcoins, new upcoming cryptos and so on, because of course we want to be nicely diversified here in the next coming weeks and months, since I believe that Bitcoin will go to much higher levels. And remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. I'm just a dude here on YouTube showing all my crypto TA with you, my own ideas, my own price expectations and TA. So that's why make sure to understand that and be subscribed here and get on board. So we have almost 1,500 subscribers guys. Thank you very much for your great support. And I think that before we're gonna start with Bitcoin and the altcoins, I'm just gonna tell you guys some of the latest news and of course also details about the giveaway, because I think that yeah, it's good that you know that. And first of all, here in the video description you're gonna see upcoming cryptos that I'm buying up right now, and one of them, it's called the unique coin, which is a new coin from this platform here. And here it's basically possible to trade OTC here, kind of an exchange but OTC, and also do pre-market coins, pre-order coins and stuff like that. So Unique is a quite powerful tool that is upcoming, and right now they're giving away 5 NFTs. So 5 NFTs I can distribute you, so the earlier you are, like first come or yeah, first serve. And with those NFTs you will be able to have those FD points. FD points are kind of airdrop points here from Unique. You can already now of course participate on some games here and some tasks to get those points that you can then redeem into their own token that will be launching in the next coming weeks and months. So of course you can also go directly here and get some of the tokens here during the pre-market phase. This is also what you can do, but of course if you are just doing the tasks or getting this NFT, so if you're fast enough and contact me with your Solana address, non-custodial guys, because the NFTs need to be sent over there, not on exchange wallets, then you can redeem those points into those tokens as well, completely for free of course. And you have priority access to Unique's products as well, and also early token access at better prices as well. So make sure to be checking it out guys, links in the video description, but even more important, make sure to leave me your Solana wallet address, because like that I can send you the NFT over there. 5 we have NFTX, and the first 5 of you that are contact me gonna get them. Then we have Pepeto guys. This is one of the newest coins that are upcoming that was doing major upgrades on their website, and now they're back. So I'm gonna probably also do another video about that, because now they're back online, and also they did some updates here on their website. So we're gonna have a look into that. And yeah, that's basically it. Of course, you're gonna find a complete list here in the video description of other coins that I'm also buying up right now, especially meme coins guys, because many of them of course are doing great so far. And I believe that as long as Bitcoin is here in this nice bull run, we're gonna have very good chances to see continuation to the upside. At least this is my opinion and my own price analysis. So what happened yesterday was that we had this drop, and I told you guys that I'm looking out now for a good long position. And unfortunately right now we didn't close that CME gap down to 114k. I think that at some point we're gonna feel it. Maybe not immediately, but later on, most likely. So it is possible that we're gonna get another bounce before we head down. That is possible, or that we're gonna skyrocket to new all-time highs and maybe in the next bear market close that CME gap. Possible, who knows that? But at the moment it is opened, and normally we are filling those gaps sooner than later. So just keep that in mind. But otherwise, based on the indicators, we are getting now positive money flow, which is increasing the RSI back above the 50 level in the RSI, and also everything is crossing bullish again. So I think this move here will happen very, very soon. I am about to open up a long position, even though I'm not trusting that move that much at the moment. Also because on the daily time frame, we have now sell signals. We are below the top side of the calendar channels at $118,000, and we are about to cross bearish everywhere, basically. So this short-term bounce that in my opinion is about to come. I'm not trusting it too much. We will see what happens, but on the daily time frame it looks a bit concerning. Not that Bitcoin would enter into a bear market, but at least a consolidation phase or a corrective phase would be incoming in the next coming days. But in the immediate short term, in the next hours, I expect a nice bounce here. On the weekly time frame, we're still in an uptrend, so we still have the weekly time frame on our side. But also here, of course, we need to keep now the weekly closes above 115k, because that means that this breakout above this multi-year resistance level here is now not ending up in a fake out, but in a nice consolidation maybe of a retest of this new support, and then move on towards much higher levels. So this is what I'm expecting for Bitcoin. And if we have a look into Ethereum, for example, yesterday Ethereum was pumping even though Bitcoin was dumping, and this is usually a very strong sign. And I think that right now, being in some altcoins, it's not a bad idea. Of course, do your own research, guys, but I like to invest now into Ethereum because Ethereum is breaking significant resistance levels immediately. I think that also here at $3,200, the next potential resistance that is coming from the previous attempts here of pushing higher is most likely also going to breaking very quickly, and then the next target would be $4,200. And if we would see weekly closes above $4,200, I expect immediately new all-time highs, at least somewhere towards $10,000 in my opinion. I think that Ethereum has the chance here to shine, and once Ethereum is breaking out to much higher levels and maybe even outperforming Bitcoin short term, that we're gonna see a nice altcoin season as well. That means that most of the altcoins also will pump nicely, especially meme coins and other tier 1 coins like also XRP, Crow, Shiba, Mudeng, Doge, Pepe, of course. Also Pepe looking very strong with this move with higher lows. We just need now higher highs, and we are back on track here. Another coin that I really want to watch out is right now also TRON, because TRON also had here from the all-time high at around 45 cents. It's one of the only coin that really created new all-time highs in 2024 with this last run. And here I really want to see $1 for TRON. I really hope that we can finally reach like $1 for TRON, would be great. Currently trading at 30 cents, and TRON has been basically since the bear market bottom here always in a nice steady uptrend with higher highs and higher lows. This is extremely bullish for TRON, and I think that also here we're gonna go to much higher levels. I hold a lot of TRON also for the long term. I'm also using the TRON network every day whenever I do transactions, so I think that TRON is really an undervalued coin basically that yeah, we definitely should not ignore. Not many people are talking about TRON, but I think that TRON is extremely strong here. And also if we go over into the lines chart, you can see that this chart is extremely bullish here, and we have clear support trend lines. Once we reach them, we go to the next one. We have new resistance levels. Also here I'm watching out for this one over here at around where we're trading right now. Once we have weekly closes above, we should be going to much higher levels. So I think also here we're gonna see probably in the next days or weeks new all-time highs. And last but not least, also Solana on the higher time frames is looking extremely bullish, because it looks like that we are about to break out here to the upside to much higher levels. Because if this was a bull flag, or anyway just a breakout target, would take Solana to new all-time highs. Yes, and I think that also here the next potential target would be somewhere at $2,000. I know that at the moment it sounds too far away, but I have targets at around 2k for Solana, for Ethereum 10k, and so on. And this doesn't happen in 1 hour. This happens in a few weeks, maybe even months. But at least I think during this cycle it is possible that we're gonna reach those levels, and that means that we are in front of a massive altcoin season. That's why I remain bullish. And I think that yes, we're gonna have huge volatile moves, but as long as we are not breaking like significant resistance support levels on the higher time frames, like the weekly here. Also for Bitcoin, we should not drop below 84k on the weekly time frame. In theory, even if we would drop down again towards this support at 89k and then bounce back up, we would still be bullish, because as long as we have those higher highs and higher lows, Bitcoin is in this uptrend. But of course, time-wise, I'm expecting a very parabolic move here for Bitcoin in the next coming weeks and months. We will see. At least this is my expectations, guys. And I think I'm gonna wrap it up for now, otherwise the video is too long. And yeah, I'm gonna do separate videos with some updates. Make sure to leave me your non-custodial Solana wallet address so I can send you over, for the first 5 of you, that NFT egg. And of course, I'm also watching out for new coins that are upcoming. So stay tuned, be subscribed, guys. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.